Taking a look at a really cool piece of kit. Now this might be good for anybody who's into who smokes, or anybody who's into camping or survivalist type of stuff, somebody that carries a pocket knife, anybody that would carry a lighter. Now it's going to work with your standard Scripto rectangle shapes or your Bic style lighters, and you can put it in either way for if you're left or right handed. And you're going to get a little bit of room at the bottom that acts as a bottle opener, so it doesn't go all the way in. However, if you're going to be putting this into a backpack or something, you can put it in upside down, and then it's impossible for it to lose any of its juice. So I'm going to leave it in that way for now. So what the LighterBro does is gives you some tools here on the back. So we've got the pair of scissors here on one side, and it's a really decent pair of scissors, competently engineered. And then you've got this kind of a straight edge razor blade razor. Again, well made. You can see we've used it quite a bit. And then there's also, I guess technically it's a small screwdriver. You could use that for glasses or something, but I actually use it as a poker more than anything. And then a long probe. So if you're cleaning out a pipe or something, you've got that. If you're cleaning out the bowl part of the pipe, you've got the blade part, and if you're cutting something, you've got scissors. Or if you just trim your fingernails or working on your glasses or something, real slim 9. They do make another version, the slim LighterBro, which has no scissors. It just has the blade on one side and the poker thing on the other side. I think it's a great idea. I've had mine for a number of years now. Technically there's a key ring on it also, but I've taken mine off. Hope this helps.